What's going on, guys? So today, making a couple trades, maybe 4, 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9 trades. There was a lot of trades. I don't know. It was way too many trades, but I ended up in the green. That's all that matters. There's other things that matter as well, but I ended up in the green, so I feel good about it. At least I feel better. I'm not super proud of how I traded it, but I'm going to show you guys my trades, show you guys my thought process, everything that went down. Day 2. Seriously, I am really mad right now. And the big reason is that my microphone decided that it did not want to work today.
Oh, big massive buyer sitting there. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I was going to upload what I recorded, but the audio was just, it was so bad. I didn't want to force you guys to listen to this insanely bad audio. This one, pre-market, got stuck there at the 360s, 3 trouble there. It had previous resistance on the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, look at this. Boom. 350, 360s resistance. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, this is looking good. So I got 500 shares short there. I was thinking if worse than worse, I'd add another 500 if it goes up to 360. Did not. And it came down. I ended up getting filled there at 330. Well, the problem was I had 100 shares left. So I was thinking to myself, oh, I'll let this one ride. I'll let it ride. And then it got back up there to the 360s. So then I told myself, well, I get in here again. I might short it again. Why not? I'm still in the trade. I got 100 shares. Why not add 2,000 shares? What a great idea, Patrick. Let's add 2,000 shares. Terrible idea, actually. So I ended up going short again there on VTVT. You can see kind of my entries up there, the 260 area. That would have been an easy $200 in profit. And I would have taken it, and it would have been beautiful, and I could have been done. I could have walked away. But instead, it's kind of bounced back on me. And then I think I could have held this maybe for the 265, 266 area. I think the big issue was I kind of oversized myself. I had 2,000 shares. A little bit too much leverage on that trade, and probably should have just kept it like 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares would have been okay. I could have risked 100. It still wasn't really that good risk reward. Really, with the VWAP there, I don't know. I want to take a picture of this and put it on the wall. I need to take a picture. I gotta find somewhere, put it on the wall in here. I'll put Yuma right there. So every time I look up, I just see, oh, what is that? Yuma. Yeah, don't do that again. So I need to think about that. Yuma, what was I thinking? The best part about VTVT is I lost money on this stock. I know. You're going to say, how in the world did you lose money on a stock that went from $1.25 to $2.65 in about an hour? How does that even possible, Patrick? How are you that bad at trading? I guess I didn't really lose money, but I lost money on some of the trades. So 2 trades were losers, and the rest were all winners, but they weren't that good of winners, but I still got back to green. I'll show you my P&L here. So here's my P&L, VTVT. At one point, I was down around $180 on VTVT. Yeah, it wasn't good. It was not good. It was not pretty. So I was down $180 because of these 2 trades right here, these 2 stupid trades. Buying the dip, selling the rip, buying the dip, selling the rip multiple times, which was a good way of trading this, good way of doing this, which was smart, was better. It was better. It was smart. So I ended up doing that, ended up getting back up $300. So I'm up $300 on VTVT. So really, it's like I'm almost up $500. So it's like I almost made $500. So it's like I made $500 on VTVT, right? It's kind of like that. I was down 180, now I'm up 300. It's pretty much $500 in profit. But TLGT I was up $100, and then I doubled down, and then I got out for a loss, and yeah, that really hurt me too. And you can see the Yuma trade. That was $169. $169 loss on a total FOMO. I was trying to buy the dip here on VTVT. I had an order at $1.52, and for some reason, I did not get filled. I'm not sure why. It was sitting there. The bid was there at $1.52. The ask dropped down to $1.51, and I still didn't get filled. So I didn't get filled there, and look at this move from $1.50 there to $1.95. So this right here, I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? I missed out on this, in which we'll talk about this as well in a minute. As you can see, the entries that I made that were closest to the EMAs were my best entries. This trade on VTVT, it got up here to $1.95, right? So it gets stuck. I'm thinking, okay, yeah, cool. I'm going to buy the dip here. I'm going to sell the rip as this breaks over $2. That was a bad idea. This just did not pull back enough. And you can see, you know, buying off of the EMA, pretty far off the EMA. The EMA was at $1.79 area. I bought it at $1.88. You do the math there, that's not that close. We kind of had this previous resistance there at this area too, so that kind of helped it as well at this $1.68, $1.65 area. So you had that kind of previous resistance support. We bounced off the VWAP there, and that was kind of the move. This whole area here, if you look at the chart, look at this wave. You know, it comes up, pulls back, comes up. Look, we're kind of still at the top of this wave here, and that's my issue. That was my issue. I didn't wait for this wave to really form, and you can see it went up here to $1.96, which was a beautiful little trade. That would have been a beautiful trade, but instead, I only got $50. I got $1.74 there. I was just trying to lock it in. That $2 break was beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted, and I was thinking, I really wanted that 205 area. I was like, I want 205. Didn't get it. I ended up getting 202. I was getting stuck there, 205. I was messing around with the TLGT trade, so did not trade this move here. After that, I saw this big move up there to the 240s. I thought, you know, hey, we're looking pretty good. There's no resistance. Look at the daily chart. There's no resistance on this thing all the way to $3. There's just nothing really going on. You know, you got the EMAs coming up there, but overall, you know, we're looking pretty nice in terms of actual resistance. There's a big gap in the chart. We're trying to fill the gap. You know, a lot of times these gaps do get filled. So pretty much from $1 all the way up to 3, there's just really no resistance. That's not bad. So after that, let's kind of just wrap this up here. But after that, got another trade in here over that break. It pulled back one more time. I got filled there at 243, and I took profit there at 253. So boom, boom, 3 okay trades, 2 bad trades, and really nothing to write home about. No home run trades. No, obviously there was better entries, there was better exits. You know, this trade here, getting out at 253 is frustrating because look, it went to 267. That would have been another $100 in profit if I would have held through this. But at the same time, I'm thinking, you know, it got stuck here at 254 before. That was that kind of, what if it double tops? What if we find resistance there? This could be bad, and I end up taking profit. So that's kind of the recap on what went down today. Making $300 on VTVT, losing $169 on Yuma. Oh, why? What a blow! That was bad. I'm gonna go and figure out. I'm gonna put a painting. I'm gonna paint a picture, and it's gonna be a big green spike. And it's gonna be a triangle at the top of that spike, and then I'm gonna put an arrow that says, "Don't do this, you idiot." That's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be the painting. I can see it already. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys later. So I'm gonna wrap it up. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm gonna be done for the day. I'm gonna walk away here. Definitely not what I want to. Definitely not the best day ever, but still not the worst day ever. So that's good. We're moving in the right direction. Remember, last week was not that good of a week. There was a couple, issues, stuff going on. So as long as we don't go back to what was going on Friday when we lost $500, as long as we don't go back to that, we're going forward. We're moving forward here. We just gotta baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, baby steps, and we're getting there. We're getting there. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you don't enjoy the video, don't dislike it. Don't leave a comment saying I'm an idiot. Just go on your way. Just leave me alone. Let me have a little bit of fun here. Let me have a little bit of your kindness. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. What stocks did you trade today? I will talk to you guys later on.